Alright guys, this is our landing page. So when you get here, you click on launch terminal or start free, and it takes you to the login form. So you click on create account, and then you enter your trader public name, enter your email, and then you sign up with your password. Okay, so after signing up, it brings you to this screen where you decide to select virtual trading. So that's what we recommend for beginners, because it does not require any API keys at the moment, and it is also automatic trading. So as soon as you sign up, it starts trading automatically. You can choose testnet and live trade if you are ready to connect your Binance API key and secret. So virtual, and then continue. Then we are done. We click open the terminal to get straight into the app. So this is the terminal. This is just up here is a tip to explain to you what the terminal really is about. Okay, so I'm just going to close it. On the terminal page, we have pairs. These are scanned pairs from the market that the system picks to trade from. So they are scanned pairs, and then we have Intel. Intel has to do with the information on the market. Okay, Intel has to do with information on the market. And then we have audit. Audits the trades that the bot takes, and then check the wins and the losses, and then learn from it, so that next time it places and blocks bad trades and places winning trades. So that is the audit. And then we have the command, where it tells you exactly what the bot is doing, whether it is trading or it's not trading. And then we have the risk tab. This is where you decide exactly your risk you want to take. That is the number of trade you want to take a day is 3. Your leverage is 5x. The maximum position open is 1. This is where you decide the risk per trade. This is a slide. You can slide it up and down to determine how much you lose per trade. So when you slide it, you see the number here moving. So we intentionally put it at 0.1%. So this means that a trade, this is the maximum you lose, though we have slippage and all that. And this is where your leverage is. We've capped it at 10, so that you don't go beyond that. This is risk management. And here is a filter to select whether the bot should trade when price is closer to resistance or support. You can tell it to ask me. You can put it on straight, that means not to trade, or you can allow it to trade, especially if it wants to short closer to a support, or it wants to long closer to a resistance based on momentum. And we have the daily drawdown, how much you want to lose in a particular day. We have portfolio stop, how much you want the bot to stop trading if you lose that from your total portfolio. And then I've shown this already, the maximum open positions and daily max trade. And then we also have the number of trade that you lose, and then you stop trading for a day. So by default, when you lose 3 trades, the system will stop trading for a day. And then the minimum confidence floor by system design is 60%. So that is also part of the risk settings. And then we have activity channel. This is where everything that is happening comes into. So they all comes in color coded. We have data, we have configuration, we have info, the day, and everything. If signals to come, you will see it. So this is where the system is trying to communicate things to you. And then that is the terminal. And you can come to the dashboard. It gives you full information on the system, their balance, your realized, and then open P&L. We also, it tells you your system is trading, and then you can pause trading and all that. This also measures the strategy's edge. Here it measures the strategy's edge. This is the decision engine. It lets you see what is going on. And these are the traded pairs. These are the pairs that the system has decided to trade from the pairs that was showing on the terminal. And then it looks at the PF to decide whether to rotate them or not to rotate them. Your equity curve tool comes here, and recent activities also comes here. And we have the strategy lab. When you are in the strategy lab, you are trying to see how well the inbuilt strategy works. And we have a 60-day replay. So you come up here, you see run 60-day replay. So when you click on it, it starts to run the 4 traded pairs, that is BTC, Ethereum, Sol, and then XRP. So it's going to run the 4. All right, so this is basically a replay over 60-day with our strategy. You can see that we have run it through 241 trades, and then we have a win rate of 58, and with a net PNL of 1952. So our edge actually is what we call level reversion short. So you could see that we've not really taken long trade. Even in the recent trades, we don't take long, or we hardly take long. Okay, so you can see here that the stop loss, the number of trades that hit stop loss was 87 trades, and that was like 5,122. And then the trades that hit TP, take profit, is 61 trades, which is 5,423. And then we have our profits guard, that's the trailing stop loss. So that one also saved us some trades and gave us some wins, 36 trades, 551. We have what we call whale exits, especially if the market switches on you, it detects the momentum and everything, and then it tries to save the trade. So that one also saved 31 trades, that's 52% win rate, and it's bagged $320. We also have give back breaker, maybe a winning trade turning into a lost trade, and it tries to break even or give back some small amounts and take the rest. That one also bagged 25 trades with a 100% win, that's like 757. So guys, this is just like back testing. Okay, this is back testing, but it's across multiple pairs. So this back testing is across BTC, Ethereum, Sol, and then SRP. And this is it here. You guys can see the PF here too as well. So yes, that is it for the strategy lab. For the positions, whenever you have a live position, you have an open position, it will display here. Okay, and then assets page here shows your balance. As at now, it's on how do you call it, it's on virtual trading. So if I'm connected to my exchange, and then maybe I'm on testnet or live, it will show here. Okay, my exchange balance will show here. So basically that is it for assets. And then when you switch to this side, we have the fuel wallet. We have the fuel wallet. So this is what we'll be giving everybody 299. So we have the fuel wallet that tops up to let the bots run, and then we have payouts and rewards too. Okay, we have payouts and rewards too as well. So from there, you can see we have basic and pro. You switch to pro. It gives you additional menu items. Okay, this is risk. It gives you the risk page, but we do not want to disturb a lot of people with the details. That's why we have the pro and then the basic. Okay, so if you want the details, you can switch to pro. Now we have trades and reports. Trades and reports here, it gives you all your recent trades and gives you the win rates, the net profits, and average win, and then average loss, and then maximum drawdown. When you click on reports, it also gives you the trading journal. Okay, it gives you a very detailed table here telling you trades that was taken, why it was closed, and all that. With compounding, it also gives you a forward projection of the balance you are trading with, and then your withdrawal plan. Maybe if your balance grows 25%, you are withdrawing 50% from it. So this table here gives you 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, and then 1 year. And the number of trades that could be taken. This is if it is favorable and it's out of sample. This is if the strategy is deviating. This is what happens. So at the end of 1 year, at least you have a projected amount that you have remaining in your balance if you get every single trade wrong. But that is not possible. And at the end of 1 year, if you get every single trade right, this is the estimation projection, which is also not possible. So there is a graph here which will populate when this account starts to trade, and then it will let you see what exactly is happening. And this is a kind of a confidence score. It will be when it's under 30 trades is just this one. When it's 30 to 100 trades is here, and then when it's 100 to 300, then it becomes more useful. The statistics begin to become useful, and when it is 300 to 1000, then it is robust, and when it's 1000 trades plus, then it's institutional. So this is a kind of a guide to read the performance. All right, and we have the intelligence. It reads the market, and then also tells the bots what is really happening in the high time frame and all that. So we have our backtest page too as well. We have window sets for these are different sets of data that you can run a test. Okay, let me just run one quickly. You can run a test, and these are switches. You can turn them on and off to see different results. So as you can see, it has started running from 2024. I just want to see one answer pop up, and then we'll stop it. All right, so you can see that it has started populating here. Okay, so that is it. That is how it works. It's to start populating all over this place. There will be a table, another one comes in. I just didn't configure it, so yeah, that is it basically. And then and then you come to, yes, I stopped it. So you come to the settings page. This is where it's most important. You come to settings page. You are on Exchange Connect. With Pipa, you don't do anything. Okay, it's automatic trading. But if you are ready to connect your test nets, you click on test nets from the settings page, not here. Okay, from the settings page. So testnet. Now on your testnet, there are just quick 3 steps here. You want to click on this link. So that it will open Binance for you. Okay, and then you sign in. It's Binance demo. You sign in, and then you click on profile. You go to API management, and you click on create API. Okay, and what you click restrict access to IP, and then you select our IP address here, and then you input it. Okay, so when you are done, you copy your API key, you bring it here, you input your API key here, and then you input your API secret here, and then you connect Binance. Okay, so this is it. You click this one. It opens the place for you, this thing, Binance demo for you. So you log in, and then you do it. Okay, so if you want live too, you select live, and then you click on this one. The same procedure. You go to yes, you come here, you click on create API, and then you select system generated. You click next, you label the API. Maybe you have a name for it. Let's say NXC. Okay, something that will let you remember the API is for Nexuscore. You click on next. Okay, I've not signed in. All right, so you have to sign in, and then you do it. But you guys get it. When you do that, it will populate here. You restrict it to IP, and then you continue. So when you are done, you bring the API key and the secret here, and then you connect. Okay, so when you are done, that's basically it. And we have the help page. So this help page, this video gives you a tour, a quick tour. Okay, the help page, we've tried to make it very simple. We have the help page here. It gives you the first 3 steps: sign up, connect to your exchange, basically. And then we have this page that gives you details on how to connect your exchange, and this video here. Okay, so we also have how to read the terminal. It's also here. It's a detailed steps for you to understand the terminal. And then we have fees and fuel. Okay, so fees and fuel also helps you to understand how the system calculates the fees and the fuel. But this is for live accounts, and we are going to give early users 1 month fees, which is 299. So everybody would understand how it works without paying. And then we have when something is wrong, when you are looking at the system and it looks like nothing is working, what you should be doing or what you should know is also here. So this is the help page, very simple. And then we also have trading view alert. You can actually connect your trading view to this system so that you receive signals from your trading view chat. I've shown you the backtest and the strategy lab. We have Telegram alert. These are all this is in the settings page. I'll show you in a minute. Then we have the leaderboard. Okay, we have everyone trading and their performance. So quickly, let me take you back to the settings page. This is where the bridge. This is where you turn on alert receive. Okay, you turn it on, and then you turn it on, and then you connect your webhook to trading view. Okay, so I'll just turn it off. And then we have alerts. So you link your Telegram, here, and then we also have a push notification. This is on the desktop. You just take it, and then it will start to give you notifications. And here is the workspace between Pro and then Basic. Okay, so basically this is the system.